today we are going to start out the video by making some bread starter. Now every couple of weeks I like to make this 1944 recipe, and this I keep in the refrigerator and it makes making bread so much easier. We're making a bread sponge today. So it's so simple and easy to do, and this will make a lot of loaves of bread. So what we did is we took 2 cups of warm milk, and then to that we added 3 tablespoons of shortening, which I also melted. So we're going to go ahead and put it in our bowl. Now it is very warm, so it is too warm to add the yeast to it. So then to that we're going to add 2 cups of water. Now I'm adding a colder water because I'm adding it to the hot milk, and that will cool down the temperature. To this we're going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar. I keep all of my baking things out here. I don't keep any other food, but food that I use to bake bread I keep out here. So we're going to add the 4 tablespoons of sugar. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt, which has my herbs in it because I am using this for herb bread this week. I am going to use my thermometer because I don't want the yeast mixture to be too hot. And it's 92 degrees, that is fine. So now we're going to add a tablespoon and a half of the yeast. They look really nice and fresh, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to mill it. All right, so one last time and then it will be perfect. All right, and this is how beautiful the flour looks. Really nice, freshly milled. We're gonna go ahead and make our bread. All right, now to this we're gonna add 6½ cups of flour. I'm only adding 2 of the milled bread, and now I'm going to add the rest of my other bread flour. Now to this I am making 1 batch of bread, so we're going to add 3 cups of this starter to another 6 cups of flour, and then the rest will go in the refrigerator. I think that's just about right. Now let's go ahead and get the bread machine set up and we'll start making our bread. So we're going to add 3 cups of the starter. And then we'll add 6 cups of flour. Now I'm only going to add about 2 cups till it gets started. Then we'll add more flour as we need it. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and take our starter and we're going to put it into our jar. I decided to use a cup of dried onions and tomatoes and make this as an herbal, probably sub rolls or dinner rolls. I'm not sure yet. But I did add the onion and the dried tomatoes. Now we're going to go ahead and let this rise. This one is going in the refrigerator for another day. It took all day to make these, but let me tell you what, it was well worth it. Take care, everyone. See you guys again on the next one.